Okay guys, welcome back. I went to Walmart again. Oh man, I got the thunderoarus chase. So mix 41 is complete. Here it is, guys. Thunderoarus. Where's the back? I saw 20 for the Gravedigger. They fixed the render, and they fixed the Racing Stripes render too. There it is, guys. Pretty cool. Training trucks. No trucks for actually Monster Jam. Packaging. We know. Let's go and open it now. Ooh. So here it is, guys. The BKT tires, red roll cage, thunderoarus name, the teeth, I guess, or claw marks, Monster Jam logo. Right here, the Monster Jam as well. Of course, a metal chassis, which is gray, black tires. Pretty nice. Look at this. That's so cool. I'm really happy I found. This is my second Speedmaster Monster Jam chase. I also found a Hot Wheels chase not too long ago. Not the trucks, but the Hot Wheels. So there it is, guys. Thunderoarus. Isn't that cool? Alright, that's all I got today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys. More videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoy.